Have you ever seen a moving spherical screen? This is Enbon's latest mechanical telescopic spherical screen with a diameter of 1.6 meters and a pixel pitch of 2 millimeters. Unlike the traditional static spherical screens we used to, this one can actually expand and contrast in multiple directions, creating a stunning visual effect. Conventional spherical screens can display content in 360 degrees, but the structure itself remains stationary. In contrast, this mechanical sphere integrates 10 retractable mechanical arms inside, allowing the entire screen to dynamically open and close, like it's breathing. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also brings the display to life. Whether it's for a stage, exhibition, or a takeout installation, this screen instantly becomes a showstopper, especially when paired with dynamic content. It significantly boosts interactivity and immersion at the venue. What's more, this spherical screen supports all customization, from size and visual pitch to the retractable motion styles. Everything can be tailored to your needs. If you are interested in this mechanical retractable spherical screen or would like to explore custom options, feel free to reach out to us anytime. See you next time!